Welcome to Cat and Raven Designs. I'm Cat.
And I'm Raven. And today we are working on a highly requested fragrance. And by highly requested, I mean literally every time we go to an event. Every single time. Somebody always asks, do you have a lavender soap? Well, now we will. So, the thing is, Cat and I aren't huge fans of lavender. But I mean, I can see why other people like it. It's just not for me. So we're working on a slab today, which is the biggest batch that we do currently. And it is in one of our handmade slab molds. And it does 40 bars, plus a number of sample bars. So I'll go ahead and link in the iCard up here somewhere. The link to how we made our slab mold if you want to make your own. There I'll also include a link on lining your slab mold. That is a video by Katie Carson from Royalty Soaps. It's excellent, very informative, absolutely would recommend. So we're going to start off with our oils and our big giant batch of lye and distilled water. Ooh, it's suctioned on there, but good. There it goes. Okay. So this is 200 ounces altogether. It is a massive batch. All right, stick blend me, darling. Here we go. Burping the stick blender. So, first thing I'm gonna do here is regret my life choices because I can't grab the top of the blender. Yes, wipey wipe please. Thank you. Wipey wipe. Excellent. So, I'm gonna go ahead and add our fragrance oil, which is Lavender 91 fragrance oil from Wholesale Supplies Plus. This has a ridiculously high skin safe percentage. So I'm gonna go for the whole bottle, my friends. We'll cut. Rinsing.
I'm sure, while it's not, harmful or anything, I prefer to rinse it off.
No, I get it.
Bleach.
Look, am I the person that's gonna argue with you cleaning?
No.
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 Exactly. So, at least in terms of lavender smells, this is a nice one. It's not, painfully lavender.
I don't know. For me, I don't mind lavender if it's with something else.
Yeah, like the lavender apple.
Yeah, like the lavender apple. I do like lavender vanilla.
Yeah, that can be nice because the vanilla helps even out some of that lavender scent.
When I say lavender vanilla, I do prefer my lavender vanilla fragrances to be a little more vanilla-y.
I mean, I get it. I guess that's the thing about business, is that even though maybe we can't appreciate the fragrance necessarily, lots of other people do. And sometimes that means you gotta make something for the people.
Yes.
You know, it's like, you want it, we make it. You want it, we make it. You want it, we make it. That kind of thing. Cat's looking at me like I'm crazy.
Yes.
You know that song?
No, I don't.
Okay, it's like Ariana Grande, I think, where she's like,
I want it, I got it, yeah. I want it, I got it.
She's an independent woman. Buying her own stuff. She don't need no man.
I mean, that's probably why I haven't heard the song, is I don't listen to a lot of Ariana Grande.
I like her alright. I mean, I'm super behind it. Anything music. Wow, this is really lavendery.
I mean, I'd say I'm probably fairly behind on music or just not mainstream.
Cat's so underground.
No, but I do. I mean, a lot of the stuff I listen to is technically considered mainstream. It's just alternative.
Mm-hmm.
Some of it's mainstream alternative. like really mainstream. And then there's all the wrap.
So I'm thinking that for the white and this for the dark. What are you thinking on that ratio?
A little more dark.
A little more dark?
There we go.
Cool. Alright. Wow. Like, the lavender in this is intense. I'm very much feeling naming it what we talked about. Lavender Fields Forever. Because we're Beatles trash.
Yes, that too. Beatles, Pink Floyd, Led Zeppelin, The Who.
Alright, so I'm gonna swap this around. I'm gonna make this a little weird for a second here. So that way I can go lightest to darkest. So down here is gonna be our white. And I want just a touch right here. Not very much. So this is gonna be titanium dioxide over here. We use the one from Nurture Soap. And that's going to be our white. Then here is going to be our light purple, which is going to be Iris Purple, also from Nurture Soap. And finally over here at the end, we're going to have Purple Haze. Again, Nurture Soap, because, yeah, we like them. All right, let's blend.
You know me. I like to be prepared.
You do?
I like to be prepared. I just don't always, like, do the cohesive thing.
All right, let's blend. Alright, well, guess who's going in first?
It means we can't do the pour the way we were planning on doing it.
It'll be alright.
Yeah.
I'll just do, here's what I'll do. Get this all in here. And then I'm just gonna do a quick stir. Okay, next.
I feel like maybe we should have done fragrance oil last.
Oh well. It'll be alright. It'll be fine. I'm not worried.
Neither am I. We've had this happen with other soaps and they've come out amazing, so I ain't even worried anymore. I ain't even freaking out.
I'm trying to move quickly, but okay. Ooh, I'm making a mess.
It's also a police.
Oh, what just happened? No.
Hashtag super messy raven.
Shh. No one can know. So next up, I'm gonna do just a brief sprinkling of some biodegradable glitter.
Keep in mind, y'all, this was Raven's idea to put glitter on it.
Just a little bit, just to bring out some of those pretty swirls. And next, I'm gonna add some lavender buds. I'm not gonna lie, we got these at Michael's. I don't know much about them, but we've had them for a while and really need to use them.
We do have some fresh ones. We just haven't gotten around to separating them out from the stems and leaves yet.
Yeah. All right, let's give this a spray. Alrighty, so here is the finished Lavender Fields Forever, which is going to be a completely lavender soap. So, anybody that's been waiting for something like that, here it is. I think it looks lovely. Alright, so we're going to let this set for bare minimum 24 hours before we split the slabs, and we'll see you back then. It looks like a pretty purple ocean.
I feel like that would probably be a bad thing if the ocean was purple.
Maybe it depends on what planet you're in. Ooh.
Ooh.
Pretty.
And I've yet to see anything inappropriate, so...
You're 2 bars in out of 40.
I'll find something.
You usually do.
A little bit of T, a little bit of A. A little bit of P. E. N.
This is gonna be one of those ones where we have to stop like every loaf and go run the bars upstairs to the curing rack.
Right.
Please, no one ever ask for a studio tour. We don't have a studio. We have my kitchen. And you don't need a tour of my kitchen. And my dining room. Ooh. Pretty. Remember, if you're going to stick it in front of the camera, you got to hold it there longer than like a second. Otherwise, we
It
can't
was
see
more
it.
than a second.
Not much more. Sorry to be your editing asshole or anything here, but like, hold it there, count to like 3.
I did. You want me to count to 5?
Sure, because you count to 3 too fast. Yeah, that's better. Then we actually get to look at it. Ooh. I feel like we got about halfway there to what we wanted. Like,
Yeah.
it's still pretty, but...
It's set up too quick.
I should have mixed the colors first and then done the fragrance. And not been an idiot. Ooh. It looks like a purple, like, landscape. It's pretty.
It is.
And you know, the lavender scent, now that it's in the soap, actually, it doesn't smell that bad. I'm not against it. Which normally I'm against lavender.
Oh, I know.
I'm tired. Tired lady.
I'm an angsty, stressy lady. I mean, not so angsty, but stressy. Is stressy a word? I'm stressy.
It's like that Markiplier clip. Like, I'm not stressed. Who's stressed? I'm stressed.
Oh god, we gotta do a Markiplier soap.
A pink mustache. That'd be cool. I like Markiplier.
I like Markiplier when... What was the name of that game?
Which one?
The one that, like, royally pissed him off. And he kept playing it. And it had that
Oh.
stupid, calm voice while you were like...
Getting Over It
Yes!
with Bennett Foddy. Yeah, that's a game. Alright.
I just like
Whoa.
watching him rage.
This one's just like a big giant white cloud.
I'm just waiting for the dirty bar.
You're always waiting for the dirty bar.
Dirty, dirty bar.
Jeez. There we go. Ooh, show me that sample bar. That one's pretty. Look at that. That's so pretty. Okay, so the lavender bars are officially cut and ready to cure. So these are going to be on the rack for about 4 weeks. So today will be available, what, December 5th?
Yeah,
December
6th.
Yeah, December 5th, December 6th, somewhere around there. I'll check the calendar. I'll make sure I put it up on the screen here. But bam, the official day. There you go. So, anybody who's been waiting for a lavender soap, here it is. Now's your time. You can now finally have it. Well, I'm going to apparently be bathing in the scent of lavender for the next 4 weeks. Just for any of you lavender-loving people out there. Alright, well, we will catch you in the next video. Hope you all have a good day, good week, good night, whatever you got going on. Bye!